If you get off the main highways and go to the byways, you may find more interesting things along your travels, like this cattle drive in North Dakota. Not only is it cattle, it is longhorn cattle. And they have about a 1 week drive to get it from where they purchase the cattle to their home. And ranchers along the way volunteer to come the whole route or to just do a portion of it, and everybody has fun along the way. The Knife River Indian villages may never have even hit the history pages, except for one extremely important event. The Lewis and Clark expedition stopped here to spend the winter. And guess who was staying here too? Sacagawea. And they convinced her and her husband to join the expedition because having a woman along would mean they were not there for warring reasons, but they were there to meet and greet, so to speak. Plus, Sacagawea could speak a lot of the Indian languages, knew a route getting them close to the Pacific Ocean, and could help make friendly relations with the Native Americans.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.